Welcome back to Chinese from Zero, Lesson 6. Lesson 5 was our big review. So if you haven't watched it yet, go back and complete it first. It will help you today to make much more sense. Before we start, please turn on captions in your own language if you need. The subtitles you see are the English captions I prepared myself, and YouTube will automatically translate them to other languages. So even if English isn't your first language, you can still follow along with using standard translated captions. Alright, let's begin. Today we're learning some of the most common everyday actions in Chinese. Things that you do every day, like eating, drinking. And we'll also learn some polite cultural expressions. We start off with first tone verbs. So the first tone is high and level. So repeat after me. 吃,吃,喝,喝,听,听. Good. They all keep a steady tone. Now let's recall some other first tone words from lesson 3. 东西,东西, things, stuff. 车, car. 书, book. 包, bag. 书包, school bag. They are all the same smooth, steady tone. That's the first tone. 我吃饭,我吃饭. I eat rice. 你吃饭, you eat rice. 爸爸吃饭, father eats rice. 他吃饭, he eats rice. Or it may be she. 他吃饭. See how the verb 吃 stays the same for every person. No change for I eat, you eat, he eats. Just 吃,我吃,你吃,他吃. Next, 我喝茶. I drink tea. 我喝茶. Tea. Cha is a big part of Chinese culture. So, 喝茶 is a phrase you'll hear everywhere. 我听音乐. 我听音乐. I listen to music. 我听音乐. So the three verbs we learned today is 吃, 喝, and 听. Eat, drink, and listen. Don't worry about the characters. Just listen carefully and speak with me to get the rhythm, the tone right. Now we go on to the fourth tone verbs. Fourth tone. So, 去, 做, and 做. The fourth tone drops sharply. 去, 做, and 做. So even though 做 and 做 sound the same, they are different characters written differently. Just like he and she we learned last time. He and she sounds the same. 他, but they use different characters. Let's also revise some earlier fourth tone words that you've heard. 我要,我要,不要,不要,那个,那个,这个,这个. So those are all fourth tones. 那,这,要,不要. Let's use the verbs. 他去学校. 他去学校. He goes to school. 我去商店。我去商店。I go to the shop. 我做饭。我做饭。I cook. Literally, I make food. So 饭 is not always just rice. It's also food. Or it's 做饭 is just cook. 我做饭。请坐。请坐。So here, 坐 is sit. 请坐 means please sit. And the polite word 请 means please or to invite. 请坐 please sit. Now listen. 请吃饭 please eat. I invite you to eat. 请吃饭 or 请喝茶。请喝茶 please drink tea. I invite you to drink tea. So now let's practice asking what someone eats or drinks. 你吃什么？你吃什么？ What do you eat? What do you eat? 什么？你吃什么？我吃米饭。我吃米饭。I eat rice. So rice is usually 米饭 rather than just 饭. But sometimes when they say quickly, if it's in context, you can just say 饭, meaning rice. Okay, 你喝什么？你喝什么？ What do you drink? 我喝茶。我喝茶。Excellent. Keep it up. Keep practicing those. And revise the other question patterns in the past lesson, which is with ma. That's lesson 4. So speaking is like a muscle. You need to exercise it regularly. Not just listening, but speaking. So practice the words out loud until you get the pronunciation right, the tone right. The more you speak, even if it's just a little bit a day, the more comfortable you'll become and your fear will start to fade away. Now let's review. You learn 3 first tone verbs, 吃, 喝, tīng, and 3 fourth tone verbs, 去, 做, and 做. So 做 is make and 做 is also sit. We talked about homophones, which are the words or characters that are different but has the same sound, like 做 and 做 and 他 and 他. And you know how to make polite expressions. 请吃饭，请喝茶，请坐. You can also ask questions. 你吃什么？你喝什么？ If you're finding these lessons helpful, please leave me a comment below. This is a new channel and I love your support. Tell me what kind of explanations or examples you like and what you'd like me to improve. I'm continuously refining these lessons to make learning Chinese clearer for you. In lesson 7, we'll learn how to say where you do these things. At home, at school, in China, using one word, one character, one sound, 在. That's also a 4th tone sound. See you in the next lesson.